10 simple vocabulary words, with meaning, starting with the letter M, that you might encounter in daily routines. Map. Meaning. A visual representation of an area. Mug. Meaning. A large cup typically used for drinking hot beverages. Mat. Meaning. A piece of fabric or material placed on the floor or other surfaces. Man. Meaning. An adult male human. Mud. Meaning. Wet, soft earth or clay. Milk. Meaning. A white liquid produced by mammals for feeding their young. Moon. Meaning. The natural satellite of the Earth, visible at night. Mail. Meaning. Letters and packages sent through a postal system. Mouse. Meaning. A small rodent or a device used to control a computer. Mint. Meaning. A herb used in cooking or a place where coins are made.